What's going on, everyone? Hope you had a great weekend. We're going to take a look at the probability calculator from Fidelity for tomorrow's trading day, 1/10/2022. Can you believe it's already almost a year anniversary? So if we take a look at the open interest for GameStop, we can see that it's kind of sporadic. It's been like this lately, right? So we start the week off kind of light, and then the OI builds up over the week. We got resistance scattered, put scattered in the money everywhere, liquidity everywhere. Kind of hard to tell what they're trying to do. However, we do have support all the way down at 100 stacked, resistance all the way out at 200 stacked. So given those two numbers at 100 and 200 being the highest call and the lowest put, max pain should be around 145, 150, which we can verify right here. So we have 145 max pain for GME. Now let's look at AMC real quick before we get into the percentage for the calculator. So stock price is $22.96. We have max pain at 24. Highest call is 31. Highest put is 23. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chain now for AMC. May have a clearer picture once the week gets started. But AMC, we have a lot of support right here at the money, which is good. And we have a lot of resistance out at 31. So again, we may have a better picture for tomorrow as far as what they're trying to do as far as the OI is concerned. But again, a lot of liquidity, kind of hard to tell. But let's see what Fidelity thinks based on their probability calculator for the 10th. And we have a 47.55% chance to go above where we did yesterday or on Friday, and a 52.45% chance to close below that point. And for GameStop, I assume it's going to be about a 50% chance, as always, it seems like. Oh, wow. Okay, so GME is a little bit different. We have a 21.8% chance to close above where we did Friday, and a 78.2% chance to close below where we did Friday. So it is what it is. Let's wait and see what happens. You did have the stacked OI down at the $100 market for GME, so that could be why you see this difference here. But anyways, we won't know until tomorrow comes. So hope you all have a good rest of your weekend, and I will bring out videos as soon as anything relevant comes out. Have a good one.